seconds. We're going to be doing a fallout. So for those who want to run in a military formation, hold papers the whole way, Marine Corps style. Alright, so if you want to join in, just
near the back.
CDR Racing, CDR Racing.
5-minute mark now. Here we go.
I can see them under the palm. Oh no, but don't hesitate, 'cause your love, you're not blown away. Yeah, ooh, baby, you love your way every day. Yeah, I wanna tell you.